What's up, y'all? It's Kaela, Tiara, and I'm back with another video. If you haven't seen my Glow Girl video or my Human Nature video, make sure you go watch that after this video. But today we are reviewing the Lotta Body Milk and Honey line, which I'm so excited. So I already I'll be doing a Braidout tutorial because that's what you guys asked for. So yeah, I was gonna do it on blow dry hair, but I'm trying to avoid heat. So what I did was, my hair is banded right now, that's why it looks really weird. So I tried to wrap it kind of like how you do at the salon. That didn't work because my hair is getting really thick and it just took me forever. So what I did was I just did it in 4 sections and I just braided it and then I just bobby pinned it. And then today I just banded it for an hour or 2. So I shampooed with the Milk and Honey Restore Me cream shampoo. It smelled really good, really good. So it says it removes product buildup. It definitely did that. Restores moisture, makes hair soft and manageable for natural hair, and no sulfates. So after shampooing with this, my hair wasn't really dry, but it wasn't really moisturized either. It was kind of a solid in between, which I'm not complaining because shampoos usually just strip my hair of everything. But all of these products smell really good, and you know how some products you put in your hair and it smells good while it's in it, and then you wash it out and then it doesn't smell like it anymore. I don't know if it's that I put the leave-in too, but my hair just smells like this whole line, and it's really nothing in it right now, so that's good. So yeah, so I pre-pooed with my little oil that you guys usually see me use. It's the Do Grow. It looks really weird, but it's the Do Grow oil mixed with some Jamaican mango and lime oils in here. So I pre-pooed with that, and then I went in and I shampooed with the Restore Me cream shampoo, and then I just went ahead and followed up with the Restore Me cream conditioner. So this one says it deeply moisturized, makes hair soft and manageable for natural hair, and no sulfates again. So before all of this, I did deep condition with this whole blend, the honey as well. I thought I would stick with honey since we're doing this whole milk and honey line thing. My hair was in really bad condition, so that helped a little bit. The conditioner, it was really nice. It had a really good smell as well, but it didn't have a lot of slip that I'm used to. However, I was still able to detangle, but I had to use a comb and I had to use half the bottle. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, my hair is banded right now. I'm gonna take it out of the band, and then I'm gonna section off my hair and braid it. And then after I'm done braiding it, I'm just going to stretch it again, and by bobby pinning the braids across from my head. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. So if you guys want a video of how I band my hair, I can show you guys that. It's really nothing crazy. I banded 4 different parts and then I put it in one big ponytail. But I'm gonna start from the back. This is really important. If you just pull these out, you can really break off your hair. So this is a little tricky. I have the scrunchies. They don't really pull out your hair, but sometimes I be getting frustrated, me and my sister, and we be low-key wanting to rip these out. But I thought it was cool. Instead of blow drying my hair, that I get do this. I'll still have that blow dried look and have a big blown out braid out in the end. I'm just gonna take this out.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. me. You gotta feel me. When I feel good, just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I feel good, just wanna be your girl. I wonder if you even notice me. Ooh, you gotta feel me. I wanna love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I'm your good.
Okay, y'all, it is the next day. I'm dressed, barefaced. I'm gonna go ahead and take down my braids and see what this braid out is looking like. I let them sit in overnight, and it's like 11 o'clock midday, so hopefully they're dry. I think they should be. I didn't blow dry hair and I didn't use a lot of product, so we should be good.
If you even notice me, you gotta feel me. When I feel good, just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I feel good, just wanna be your girl. I wonder if you even notice me. Ooh, you gotta feel me. I wanna love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I'm your good.
So my hair is really fluffy. I really like it. It's not like super defined, but I like the fluffy look. So this is the result I got using all of the Lotta Body Honey Lime. My hair smells really good. I have no flakes. Yay. So yeah, that concludes this video. Stay tuned for the next review that I'll have next. It's very fluffy. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.